These are the 10 games we gave you to rank. In this column, I'm entering one group's rankings. Chainsaw currently doesn't give you a score. That's why this column is blank. In this movie, we'll show you how to enter a formula for score into DG. Let's enter this formula. Score equals the number of accepted pieces times fuel left. Go to the table's gear menu and select Edit Score Formula. So score equals accepted times, use the asterisk, fuel left. Now this column is filled with the scores from that formula. To see your formula, let your cursor hover over score. This graph lets you compare the scores that you got from your formula with your rankings. Let's add a connecting line. You might expect that the game you rank the highest at 1 would have the highest score, and the game you rank the lowest at 10 would have the lowest score. And that as you moved along this graph from rankings of 1 to 10, you'd see this line steadily moving down. With this formula, we see some obvious disagreements. Maybe those disagreements point to problems with your formula, but it could also be that you need to rethink your rankings. After investigating, you may want to change your formula. To do that, go to the gear menu again and edit the formula. Let's change the times to a plus. Let's look at the graph with the new formula. Use the rescale to make it look better. That doesn't look much better. I guess I'm going to have to think harder about how this formula should work. With a formula entered, you can play a new game, and the score actually appears both in your game as well as down here in this data table.